Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the settings that you can have for the responses in your Google form. So if you click on the settings menu, just under where it says make this a quiz, responses, we're going to click on this arrow, and you have some options for how to deal with responses to your form. Would you like to collect email addresses? This is currently toggled to off. If you want to collect email address, simply turn it on and the toggle will change colors. Okay, if you're going to collect email addresses, do you want to send responders a copy of their responses? No, which would be off. Always, which will always send them a copy whether they want one or not, or only if they request one. Do you want responders to be able to edit their responses? So after they submit it, can they go back and maybe change things? Oh, I didn't mean to write that, or I changed my mind. Do you want to restrict the form to only people in your organization and your organization's trusted organizations? If so, toggle this on. If you want pretty much anybody to be able to fill in the form, toggle it off. Do you want to limit responses to only one per user? If that is the case, if you only want to limit to one response, there has to be a way to verify that. So this will require that respondents sign into a Google account so that the form can determine whether or not the person has already submitted a response to the form. So you do have some control over how you handle responses and what types of responses you'll accept, among some other response behaviors in your Google Forms that you can use to create a better form experience for yourself and your users.